Hi guys, I've got this handphone holder over here. It is actually a battery operated holder. So when you put your phone in, when it touches this button over here, the holder will close by itself. And when you press this at the side, it opens. But then after using it for like say about a year, the battery starts to deplete and I have to charge like every week like that. So I've got this Baseus solar, let me see, this Baseus solar electric car mount. So it works probably the same, but it has this solar panel on top, so it charges when it's under the sun. So basically I always park under the sun, so I hope this will give me the extra juice and I do not need to actually plug in to charge this device. So let's see what is inside here. So in here there's this I think wipe, alcohol swipe, some instruction card here, some stickers, instruction manual. There's the Type C to Type A USB charger, a mount with 3M tape, extra 3M tape. That's the device over here. So that's the solar panel. I don't think you can rotate or tilt this angle over here. I think it's pretty fixed. So let's see if there's any battery. I think our battery is red here, so I probably have to charge this for slightly a bit longer. So there's a button over here for you to release this catch. So I press this, it will open. It opens both sides, whereas my original one actually opens one side. As you can see here. While the Baseus one opens both. So it is touch sensitive. Okay. You can send something near. When your phone goes near, it will close. Okay. There's a bit of rubber on both sides here, so that it's non-slip. Now I will try to install this over here. As you can see over here, I've extended the arms a little bit, but it's a bit wobbly. I couldn't get a very good position. Don't have a longer mount over here, so I have to extend another one out here, but it still works. So got here, so the solar panel over here will receive the sunlight for it to charge every day. So I hope this mount will last me longer than this one which I couldn't get the charge to be held for longer than 1 week now. Right, that's all. Thanks.